What's up, everyone? We are back, and I haven't made a video in a long time. I know, I'm sorry, and I probably say this too much, but yeah, I am sorry. So today I am actually gonna start like a new kind of series, I guess we can call it, or something. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do updates. I'm gonna do like probably 3 or 4 videos maybe about this. I'm gonna do updates on performance engine mods, like tell you how it's going, what's going on, or what issues I've been having or whatnot. I'm definitely not gonna leave anything out, and you're gonna see it all raw. It's not gonna be like I cleaned it up and I'm gonna tell you, oh yeah, this or that. I'm gonna tell you like my full on like opinion, reviews, or anything that's just happened to what like whether it's shitty or whatever. Like, so I'm gonna do performance engine, exterior, things that make it beautiful, and interior, and something else I was gonna say. But something else. Maybe I'll do like an overall thing. But yeah, so let's get started. First episode, as you can tell from the title. Also, I'm gonna add in links to my social media stuff, kind of cool stuff I've been editing, and stay tuned until the end because I made a little video. I don't know if you guys will like it or not, but something kind of cool to me. But let's get to it. Today we are doing my performance engine mods, issues and stuff like that I've had. So, and it's dirty, like I told you, it's gonna be raw and uncut, clean. Not clean, but dirty, literally. So first thing I wanted to show you off was an issue I've been having in my coolant pipe. For some reason, I don't know why, but I got a new boot. I think it might be the boot, but it leaks somehow. I don't know. We've tightened this, put new clamps on. We've kind of messed around with that and nothing's fixed it. So I'm thinking it's the boot or something. I'm not exactly sure, but that's one thing I'm having issues with. That I don't know why, but Joe HSP is a good guy and he gave me a new boot, and I'm hoping to put that on. Joe, sorry about that, but everything else does. So, and then also on the intercooler pipe right there, it is rubbing on my fender liner in there, and it's kind of grooving it a little bit, which I need to really adjust that. And when you do get it, make sure it fits good, because I might have to adjust it again. And that's super crappy because they're hard to fit or like adjust and everything. So do it right the first time. And then going to my pipe, I need to get a new gasket, I think, because it's leaking or it's coming out. Like the soot and stuff, you can see it's dirty. Like that was white, now it's covered in soot and oil and stuff, so I need to get a new gasket. I'd recommend just getting a new gasket when you do put it in, so it seals it up great. Other than that, I got a little bit of rubbing issues right there. Everything else is going so far good with that. Intake pipe, not really any issues, except I lost my the original bolt or screws that go in these. So I got some black ones, which kind of made a little offset, which I might actually be switching colors. I love the white and black, it's so clean, but I might be switching that up soon. So, and I need to get a new coolant tank. So that might be coming up this coming year. And you can see where it's leaking, where it's coming out of there, it like just slowly drains it. And I don't have head gasket issues, so someone's gonna say that, I know they will. But I do not. I don't have any head gasket issues. Cross my fingers. Knock on plastic. But yeah, other than that, other thing too, I need to get readjust my exhaust or something, because there's some sort of exhaust fumes getting into the cab, which I need to fix that. But I'll have to do that when I actually have a lift or have time to do that. I just kind of want to give you guys an update on this kind of stuff, because everyone always sees it and they just see only the good things on Instagram and my Twitter and whatnot. But yeah, so far no major issues, except one day, where's it at? My relay to my fast blew because it just turned off. Like I was like going back here to turn my truck on, and my pump wasn't turned on. I was turning on. I was like, what the heck? So then I Googled everything, and I called Jake over in Blackfoot, and he was like, it's probably most likely your relay. So I went to Napa and got a new relay, and they're like 23 bucks. And I just made sure to put some dielectric grease on it, because I think what was happening was it was more over here and it was getting wet. So I guess that's a pretty simple issue, but I do need to clean this off really a lot. It sucks. I just hate winter. So everything else is going so far, it's going good. I'm gonna show you what I do on my fast, because I think I need to change those soon. But yeah, I gotta clean that up a little bit. But what I've been doing on my fast filters is just putting the dates on it and the mileage, so you can see, and then I can tell you when to change them and stuff. Just kind of something cool, and I'm pretty sure 1,000 people do it, but I was like, oh cool, yeah, whatever. But back to my exhaust, nothing's issue. I just got to clean the tip a little bit, maybe might move it up a little bit, but other than that, nothing's too bad. But yeah, dirty like always. I'm thinking about getting a Banks diff cover, just because of Banks is a crazy marketing genius, and yeah, I might do it. We'll see what happens. Also, oh crap, I forgot to tell you, I need to have an actual leak in my brake. See, it's leaking right there. It's in the rotor. It's weird, but I need to get that fixed. So that will be coming up soon. It's kind of crappy, but yeah, I'll get to it for sure. It just sucks working on trucks and cars when it's cold. But yeah, I mean, overall, that's mainly the issues going on, or things that need improvement for sure. I want to get a different turbo. I want to get injectors. I want to do head studs. I want a new transmission. I want all this. But, you know, if someone of you guys can give me the lottery ticket numbers, that would be amazing. Thank you. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll make another part here. Probably do either the exterior, beautiful mods, or the interior and such. So keep watching and look at my exiting video right now.